So first I'm going to make the wardrobe, and to make that I've taken this cardboard box and I've opened it up and I'm going to cut the side pieces. Next I'm going to cut in the middle on one of the sides to make the doors of the wardrobe, and after it's done it looks something like this. Now to make the inside shelves, I've taken an old notebook. So I've taken the back of the notebook and I've cut the shelves according to the size and I've just glued them together. Also, to make the legs of the wardrobe, I've cut some thermocol in rectangular pieces and glued it to the bottom. Now to make the bed, what I've done is I've taken a thermocol. So you take the thermocol and you're gonna take your piece of paper and then you're gonna wrap the paper around the thermocol like you would wrap a gift. So just look at how I've done it, and it's very easy to do. Stick it together. You can use tape if you want to, and you can also use glue if you want to. But remember to use Scotch tape if you're using it, because after when you're gonna paint it, you won't be able to color on top of a normal tape. So it will be better to use a Scotch tape. So after the thermocol is wrapped, your base or the mattress of the bed is ready. So now to make the headboard and the base, you're just gonna make it using this exact same procedure. Using the same method, you're gonna make the study table, the base, the legs and everything same way. Even the bedside tables have been made with the exact same way. To make the chair that I have shown in the video, you're going to take the pieces from the Chocopie box that we've cut out before, and you're going to join them together using a glue. And then after they're joined, you're going to fold it to make a curve out of it. So you're going to curve it out to make it more flexible, and then and the cardboard piece that you see here on the top and the bottom of the chair, just gonna bend the cardboard piece of the Chocopie, and then you're going to wrap it around and glue it together like so. To make the base of the chair, you're going to take the thermocol piece and you're going to cut a circular piece of thermocol. So now to make the chair, you're going to make it using thermocol and sunboard. To make the base of the chair, you're going to make it using thermocol with the same procedure. The dimensions would be different, but the method is the same. Now to make the front and the back of the chair, you're just going to take a sunboard and cut out 2 rectangles of the dimensions that I put in the description box below. So go check that out. As you can see here, the chair looks much better if you make the base with the thermocol and the legs with the sunboard. To make the pillows that I've made, you will need a piece of paper. You're going to cut a rectangular piece from the paper. I've used an old paper here to show you how it's done. Then after you've cut out the rectangular piece, you're going to fold it the way I've shown you, and I would suggest you to glue it together in the bottom and put the tape after you've done painting to make it more secure. Here I've just put the tape just to show you guys how it's done, because I've already made 2 of them. I don't need more, so this is just how to show you guys. Now to make the filling of the pillows, you're going to take thermocol and you're going to scrunch it up. This thermocol balls come out and you're just going to spread them inside the pillow, and then you're just going to glue it together and secure it with the tape, and then your pillow is ready. Now you're just gonna have to color it. My theme was yellow, so I colored it yellow. Now to make the mini plants, you're just gonna take a piece of thermocol. You just need a rectangular piece. I'm cutting it right now, just a small rectangular piece. Now you're going to take a small piece of paper, just the size of the rectangle piece you have cut out, and you're just gonna wrap the paper around it. Now we'll take a compass and you're just gonna make a hole in the thermocol, in the center of the thermocol, so that we can insert this plant leaf inside. You need to insert the plant leaf after you've colored your pot. So first color the pot and then insert the plant leaf. I already made 4 of them, I do not need more. Now I'm just placing all of the pieces of furniture in the way I like. Also, to make the side walls and the floor of your model, you can use thermocol, but I suggest you to use the sunboard. You can just paste paper over the sunboard and color that paper, but color the paper before you paste it. You can even print out any wallpaper of whatever you like, whatever picture you like. You can just print it out and then you can paste that on the sunboard to make it much more interesting. The window is also painted on paper and pasted, and this tiny little clock that you see is made using sunboard. I've just colored the sunboard out and written the time using a CD marker. Watch the montage. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!